Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Canon G2010 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now before you proceed, you would be able to see a link there at the description box below. All you need to do is you need to copy, okay? And the moment you have copied it, please directly proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on this open option to continue. Now, once you are being redirected here at the Google Chrome browser, please proceed directly at the Windows search bar at the top and press Ctrl V key in the keyboard. And the moment you have pasted it, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So eventually you would be redirected to this mega file website. All you need to do is you need to wait until you can see this attachment exe file here. So all you need to do is you need to click on this download option aligning to it. Please click on it. And eventually it will now start on the downloading process. Now we just have to wait until this would be completed before we can proceed or we can continue to the installation. Once it is being completed, directly proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see the download icon. Please click on it because it will show here this one. So once it's marked done here, all you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it in this folder. So the next step that we need to do is we need to move that to the desktop. So how we can do so, click on this cut icon, and the moment you have clicked on it, close the window as well as this and make a right click here at the desktop and go with the spaced icon. And that way you would be able to move it here at the desktop. So the next step that we need to do is we need to extract this. So by that, make a right click and then you need to scroll down. Okay. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and choose this and go with extract to. So eventually it will now start on the extraction and a new folder would be created, meaning we have successfully extracted it. The next step that we need to do is we need to proceed to the start icon, make a right click and then scroll up and click on this option called settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here at the settings, directly proceed at the left side of that, you can see there an option called Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to proceed with the devices settings. And here, once you are here at the devices, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate with related settings. And under it, you can see there more devices and printer settings. Now tap on it, and eventually this window, which is the devices and printers, would appear. So it will contains all the devices, and that includes the printers that you have installed here in your Windows PC or laptop. Now the next step that we need to do is we need to proceed to the top of that. At the left top of that, you can see there an option called add a printer. Please tap on it. And the moment you do it, this window would show up, and proceed at the bottom where you can see there the printer that I want is enlisted. So here, all you need to do is you need to choose today add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and go with next. And if it will ask you to choose a printer port, hit this down arrow key and choose among of this USB ports. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you're good, please click on next and go with have disk. And go here, since our extracted file is being located at the desktop, then we need to proceed to the left pane where we can see the desktop. Please click on it. And the moment you click on it, scroll down and choose this one. So double tap to it, double tap once again, and choose this driver. And please choose the first driver. So all you need to do is you need to click on open and go with OK. Once you're good, it will be added here, which is the Canon G2010 series. Please click on next, go with next, and it will now start on the installation. We just have to wait for a while until this will be completed. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation. Once you're good, if you would like to allow for printer sharing, click on the second. If you don't want to, go with this do not share this printer in my do not share this printer in others. So go with next and go with finished. And there you have that you have just successfully installed the Canon G2010 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.